Hey guys, this is a 52-inch Hunter original ceiling fan from 1991. It is a 1.1 amp 3-speed fan with the standard brackets. This is my all-time favorite version of the original, the 1.1 amp with these brackets. I saw them everywhere I went. Not every single, but most of the buildings, most of the restaurants I went to had these fans. They're like weeds down south here. The light kit you see on it is an outdoor rated low profile light kit. I got it in the mail today. Just something about these light kits on originals brings back a lot of memories for me, especially in Casa de Campo, Dominican Republic. You saw a ton of these light kits. These light kits are also popular in the United Arab Emirates, in Abu Dhabi. Most of the hotels, the resorts, have Hunter fans with these light kits on them. So I'll go ahead and do a demo, start with the light. I love the glass on it too. It's tinted to a light tan color, which kind of brings out the rusticness too. So I'll go ahead and fire it up on high. And already I can feel that air blowing on me. It's not going that fast either. By the way, this video and all the ones after it are going to be shot in 4K. So you're going to get some high quality content. Let's bring it down to medium. We'll bring it down to low. I'm also filming with a tripod today. I dug this out of the basement and it works really well. So and finally we'll do a spin down. Going to be very, very brief because there's not a lot of oil in there. Plus the wind's blowing, so it'll act as a brake to slow it down. So alright, that is a 52-inch Hunter original in black finish, by the way. I forgot to mention that. A 1.1 amp motor, 3-speed reversible with outdoor blades and an outdoor light kit. Thanks for watching.